Hi, this is Tech with Costa, and I'm sharing my engineering journey. Then we can connect to PostgreSQL database via pgAdmin. Both containers have to be connected to the same network in order for pgAdmin to connect to PostgreSQL database, and they are at the moment, as I explained before. If we open localhost 8080 in this browser, let's open this, and you see the previously container output, right? This is because of cookies and history in the browser. So I have two options. I either press Ctrl-Shift-Delete to delete the cookies and history from the browser. I don't do that. I just do Ctrl-Shift-N to create a new browser private window. And then I just go to localhost 8080. So localhost 8080. And then now I see the pgAdmin login page. So now I just use the credentials I defined on the Docker Compose file, which is admin@admin.com, and then the password is root, login. Yeah, you can see that here, right? And then I click on servers, it's empty. Then after clicking on servers, I go to object, register, server. Then I just give it a name. Can be test.pg, for example. Then the connection, I need to specify a host name and address. The address should be pg database or host.docker.internal. Why pg database? Well, because my container service named pg database that contains the PostgreSQL database version 13. So now I just use pg database here. Then the username will be root and the password will be root. I save it, and the port is 5432 actually. Then I can open test.pg databases, then my test.db, I can click on it and it will connect. Then schemas, public, tables, and I see no tables, of course. Then we can create a sample table via pgAdmin. We can create a sample table by opening a query tool and run the following code. Just copy this query, then click here, query tool. Paste the code here, create table named cars, and we are specifying 3 columns. Brand and model columns are just string columns, and then we are specifying an integer column named year to store years, and then we execute the script, and we should have a table here. Right click, refresh, and we see the new table that we created, cars, with the 3 columns. Then we need to populate the table, right? Because if I right click cars, then view edit data all rows, it will create automatically a query. Select start from public.cars to see what's inside the table, and the output is in the bottom, it's empty, right? So we need to populate the table. So copy this code, then create a new query tool, paste the code here, insert into cars, then the name of the columns, and then the values we want to insert. Execute the script, inserted 3 rows, of course. Then I can right-click cars, view edit data, all rows, or I can simply query with select start from, etc. And then I see the populated table here with the data, as an example. We can access the same test table via pgCLI. How? We just go to the terminal, we rerun the same command as previously we did, then the password is root, \dt. Now we see the cars table. And then we can run some query examples. So this one, for example, to select all the data. Then you see end here. Then you just hit Q in the keyboard to quit this view. Then we can order by year. And now you see the year sorted from top to down, from to bottom, top to bottom actually. Then we can also, I have to press Q first. Then I just select start from cars where year greater than 1975, and now I only see BMW M1 with year 1978 because this is the only car with year greater than 1975, right? Yeah, that's it. Good luck. Peace.